ABC Chomp!
Hi everyone! Are you ready to play ABC Chomp with me, Ari the Alligator? Today's letter is the letter D. Do you know any words that start with the letter D? How about dog? D-O-G. Or maybe you know doll. D-O-L-L. Oh, do you know the word dress? D-R-E-S-S. Oh, or maybe you can play the drum. D-R-U-M. Oh, or do you know the word duck? D-U-C-K. These are the words that start with the letter D. Let's try to find them when we play ABC Chomp. Yay! Okay, so let's play ABC Chomp. Today we'll do the lowercase letters, the easy mode, and we'll choose the letter D. Okay, here we go. Let's watch.
Can you read this word?
Do you remember where the words are? Okay, here we go.
D.
D.
O.
O.
L.
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 L. Oh, that spells doll. But oh no, I didn't see where the doll is. Did you see? Is it behind number 1? Number 2? Number 3? Number 4? Or number 5? Oh, well, probably it's behind number 4.
Yes, it's
Yay!
doll.
We got it!
Can you read this word?
All right.
D.
D.
O.
O.
G.
G. Oh, that spells dog. Oh, where's the dog? Is it behind number 1? Number 2? Number 3? Or number 5? I can't remember. Maybe it's behind number 3.
Yes, it's
Yay!
dog.
We got
Can
it!
you read this word?
Okay, let's say the letters.
D.
D.
R.
R.
E.
E.
S.
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 S. Oh, that spells dress. Ah, okay, well, is it behind number 1, behind number 2, or is it behind number 5? I don't know. Let's check behind number 2.
Nope, it's not.
Oh no, it's a drum. Maybe it's behind number 1?
Yes, it's
Yay, we found it.
Can you read this word?
Okay, here we go.
D.
D.
U.
U.
C.
C.
K.
K. Oh, that spells duck. Oh, duck. Is it behind number 2 or behind number 5? Well, I think I just saw a drum behind number 2. So maybe it's behind number 5.
Yes, it's
Yay,
duck.
we found it.
Can you read this word?
Okay, I know this one.
D.
D.
R.
R.
U.
U.
M.
M. That spells drum, and it's behind number 2.
Yes, it's
Yay! Okay, these are the words that start with the letter D. So let's say the words one time. Ready? Dress, drum, dog, doll, duck. If we see those words, we can eat them. Here we go.
Elephant.
Oh no, that's an E word.
Cow.
No, that's C.
Doll.
Doll, yes.
Yummy. Eel.
Eel, no thank you. Oh, that's a bomb. We can't eat that.
Duck.
A duck.
Yummy. Egg.
An egg, that's an E word.
Dress.
A dress, yes.
What's that?
Oh, what's that? Oh no!
Dog.
A dog.
Yummy. Eel.
Eel, no thank you.
Good job. How many words did you get?
Okay, how many words did we get? Let's check. How many dogs? We got 1 dog. How many dolls? We got 1 doll. How many dresses? We got 1 dress. How many drums did we get? We got 0 drums. How many ducks did we get? We got 1 duck. Quack, quack. Oh, how many points did we get? Oh, we only got 100 points. I accidentally ate a bomb. Be careful. I think if you play ABC Chomp, you can get more points than this, right? And after you play ABC Chomp, don't forget to download the free worksheets, and you can practice reading and writing the words that start with the letter D. Yay! It's so fun! Okay, see you again. Goodbye!